You're tuned into 107.1 Essential AM. Your voice, our Essential Voice, live from the BS News Center of the world. This is News on the Go. Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, world. Today is June 10, 2011. The finest time to bring you the hottest and latest update from the #1 TV broadcasting show. This is News on the Go. And for the headlines, local news. OFW from Libya is arriving. And for the details, OFWs from Libya is arriving in the Philippines last 4 months on NAIA Centennial Terminal 2 on 11 hours travel from Greece. These are the first batch of OFWs that believing that they walk along desert until they reach the border of Libya. These are the Filipinos, that is over 355 OFWs, also including the kid that is released in Libya and grabbed by the Philippine Airlines to Heraklion Airport from Greece. And for the weather forecasting. Good morning, Philippines. This is the finest time to bring you the hottest and latest update in our weather. Northeast monsoon affecting the northern and central Luzon. Northern and central Luzon will experience mostly cloudy skies with light rains, while southern Luzon will experience mostly cloudy sky with scattered rain showers and thunderstorm. Overly widespread rains over the eastern section, which may trigger flash floods and landslides. The rest of the country will be partly cloudy to cloudy with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. And now we're back. Thank you for listening and watching to our show. This is News on the Go. For comments, suggestion, just text name space, address space, and send to 1234 or log on to my Facebook account, Grace05_Barbie at yahoo.com. Until tomorrow, good morning.